Morning guys! So you all have noticed that I'm missing a car here in my workshop. And that is my ice practice Supra, and I'm about to go to Linderud, the Rollcage builder, to pick her up and bring her back home. And with this Ivor Williams trailer, the Supra can be safe on the way back home. So I'm finally back here at the Rollcage builder Linderud. This is the sixth Rollcage I have been using him for building the Rollcage in my car. So I can't wait to see the car. I have seen some pictures and it looks super nice. There she is. So we have done something special here. We have made the sidebars a little bit out to the doors. Here's also my old half roll cage. Actually, this is for sale. This fits right into a Supra, easy to mount in, so if anyone needs, send me a message. Comment below guys, what do you guys think? And since we are using this on ice track, we drive super fast and we are training on hard twin drifting, so that's why I wanted to have a good roll cage in the car. So now it's time to get it in there. Supra back in the trailer. I was struggling a little bit on the electrical winch because I had forget to charge the battery after Gatebil, so it was empty. Luckily we have the cable and we could charge it a little bit so we can use the winch. But now it's time to take the Supra safe back home to the workshop. So I'm back here in my workshop with the Supra and I'm about to take it off the trailer. It's so nice with the remote for the winch. So the next now is to make the steering column for the left-hand drive, and some seat mounts. Transmission tunnel is going to be okay. Wow, I love this new roll cage. And we're going to fix some chassis damage. Give it away over to Rakstad Slangeservice. We're going to paint the car and wait for the winter. So I hope you guys enjoy the little update for the Supra. I hope you guys enjoy the vlog, and remember to comment below and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you guys next time. Goodbye.